Alright, surprise for everyone. We're visiting an Indian home in the town of Indore. And this is a beautiful library in the house. If you have a look, it's a lot of children books, all in one. Activity book for good habits, having fun with phonics. Amazing moral stories, so important morals and values, for children to learn pretty early on, right? And these are the stories, which have a deep meaning, right? Some meanings, kids can just carry on for the rest of their lives. So quite inspiring. All right, we've got Lucy with us.
I think that raising a child is not only within a family, it's also involving the whole community and whole villages. And initiative like this I found is really good because they're not only teaching mathematics or anything, but they're also teaching morals, what they have to do.
So we've got Sadhguru books, we have got Bhagavad Gita, we've got Panchratna, quite a few things going on here. We've got Andrea.
I know that in the United Kingdom, when the library movement started, along with the union movement, maybe 200 years ago, it allowed the people who were from the poorer families to suddenly become educated, and apparently it changed the whole of the society in the United Kingdom.
And before we get to the person who's running the show here, let's have a quick look at what all is going on here. Right, beautiful cards. This one says, a library outranks any other one thing a community can do to benefit its people. It's a never falling spring in the desert. Oh my God. All right, so that's the lady. Wow. The lady running the show here. Again, Lucy from Hong Kong, Andrea from Australia. I've been born and brought up in India, spent a lot of time outside India, but again back here, because there's so much to learn in life. Chetna, you running this library, it's not a regular library in which kids, they come and read, the material books. You have got every single spiritual book out here. So what motivated you to open a library like this?
क्योंकि बच्चों को रीडिंग में स्कूल में उनको केवल
What we read in the books in school, all right, that is for the material world. The kind of book she has out here is for the inner world. It is so important, that kids, they strike a balance between the outside and the inside. And I think that's what Chetna is doing, making these kids stronger from deep within.
जो आप स्कूल में करते हो स्टडी और रीडिंग
Right, so India, not just India, the world needs teachers like Chetna, alright? Yes, materialism is important, but we have to dedicate some time to make these kids stronger because they're the future of our society. They're the future of this lovely world, this diversity, the unity that we see in this world, alright? So we are really inspired by you, Chetna. Please carry on doing what you're doing. Keep inspiring people because all of us are inspired.
Thank you.
And one more question. Do you do Surya Namaskars?
Of Surya Namaskars.
Alright, so life is all about give and take. We have learned so much from Chetna today. So we're going to teach you Surya Namaskars. No matter what happens, you teach kids spirituality, but you also have to teach them excellence in action. Alright? One part of our life is philosophy. You learn, what is the right thing, what is the wrong. It's so important for us to have a strong body and a strong mind. And for that we have the practice of yoga and we have the practice of Surya Namaskars. Alright, Surya Namaskars help the kids to have a very strong body, a strong mind, and their breath is normalized. So agar aap apna teaching ke saath, even if you can make these kids do one Surya Namaskar every single day, you can give them a lot of power.
You can see this book, Panchatantra, and this book is for moral values. So it is very good that when kids learn to start reading, it is good to handle them a manual for the life, that how you should live your life.
Books is the part of yoga. Means it gives us a discipline, and yoga is Hatha Yoga Anushasana. It's our self-discipline.
So Mummy ji is very sweet. She made tea for us, but yeah, she's a little bit on the shy side. Thank you very much, Nomita, Lokesh, for inviting us to your home. We weren't expecting this. So inspired to meet Chetna today. So inspired looking at every single wall in this house. So inspired with the energy. Bye.